Hello, fellow traders. Hello, everyone. How are you doing today? And hello to everyone who's watching the recording of the stream. How are you doing today? I am really sorry for not telling you beforehand about the stream, but I didn't have time. We were not supposed to stream today, actually, because I had different plans, but the plans were canceled, and I decided that we have to stream. I have to do it. That's my job. Well, that's my job. But let's get started, and as always, tell me if you can hear me, if you can see me in the chat. But let's look at the analytics for the month as always. So we have 1,500 in profit. Don't have any bad days through the month. It's not the month of the March, but it's like the 30 days. This week, let's see what we have this week. Well, not too bad, almost 500. One day was not really good. On Monday, we only got $36. 62% win rate though, not perfect, but considering the fact that streams are having more risks, 62% win rate is a good result in my opinion. And yesterday we actually had a really good day. We lost only one deal, and then we had how many? 5 deals in a row where we got the profit. Hopefully today we will continue with the winning streak. Let me get back to the chat quickly. Hey Paddock, hello Alice, let's rock on. Let's get started. Yes, we will do it today. Hey Alice, hey, hello. So anywho, let's get started slowly. So traditionally we start with currency pairs with the highest payout, and we will see what's going on the market. So Euro GPY, not an obvious trend. So I don't know what to do with it, and I'm moving on. USD GPY. The price is reaching this level right now. This level looks quite interesting. So let me put a visual for you. As always, a little visual. What the hell? Come here. Thank you. All right, okay. So from this level, somewhere here, the price was moving interestingly. So what do we see here? We see that the first time when the price reached this level with this downtrend, which was quite good, by the way. Then the price jumped, then it was pushed downwards, and then it flew upwards again. So theoretically, this zone could be an interesting one. So we need to look at this currency pair USD GPY. We need to follow along what's going on. If we see the signal for an upward trend, we'll probably enter into that one. But for now, I'm going back to the chat for a second. Hi Alice, glad I caught you live. Hello, just one Nita. Am I right? Am I reading that correctly? Hopefully I am. But yeah, with the chart right now, doesn't look like something special. It's consolidating, so nothing is obvious. Let's probably go to other currency pairs, and what we're going to do here, we're going to put a little notification at the level. So when the price reaches this point with the notification will work and we'll go back to that currency pair. But for now, moving on, Euro British Pound. And while I'm looking at the chart, tell me, how are you doing? How was yesterday's trading? How's it going right now? Because we still have a couple of hours of market being opened. Oh, USD GPY just reacted. Oh, let's get started. First deal of the day, USD GPY for an upward trend, 3-minute expiration time, $50 used. What do we see? We see the level that we put here. The downtrend ended on that level. The price rose, dropped, rose again with an impulse, and right now the price went back to this level. And it's a little too late. We entered into a deal, but I hope it's going to be enough for us and we will see an impulse movement upwards. But the price is dancing around for now, but it is what it is. We have 3 minutes. I'm going back to the chat to talk to you guys. Juanita, I'm so sorry. I feel so stupid. I'm so stupid. Rainela from Morocco. Ooh, that's the first one from Morocco. Hello, hello. Ashley, hey Alice, ready for the biscuit? Well, we are already risking it. Look at me. And it's not working. It is not working. The risk is not showing us any mercy. But I still believe that the price should be pushed upwards, but there is some sort of resistance met on the market, but the level, in my opinion, in my humble opinion, the level is quite good. So this point of the previous jump looked amazing, just amazing. Maybe there was some news and I messed up, but we don't know. We will see in just a minute. Look at this. Stochastic also tells us that the price should rise. The only thing is that consolidation might start here. That wouldn't be nice. That wouldn't be good. But you know what? That's why we risk it for the biscuit. Risking it for the biscuit. I think like it's the time already at the beginning of the stream. We need to like up the stream for the price to rise. You know the rules, you know the rules. By the way, guys, during the stream, tell me in the chat, are you just watching the stream or you are working along the side, by my side, you know? Just curious to know if the platform is open for you or you're just watching the stream or you're making your own assumptions, your own predictions, and working with me, but with your own brain. I want to know the truth, because sometimes people tell me when they are doing same deals that I do, which again, don't recommend doing that. Have 4 seconds left. Can you rise just a little bit? Just... No, we didn't get the money back even, so the deal is closed in red. Not changing my opinion, the price should rise right now, and it looks even better than before. So the second deal for $100 USD GPY 3-minute expiration time, same direction of the deal, same logic as well. Is it too late? I don't think so. I think the price should reach at least this level, at least. But yeah, we will see. We will see. Hopefully, I'm not too late for this one. So going back to the chat. Back to the chat. Big. Hello again, Martingale. Greetings from Cebu, Philippines. Oh, hello. How's the weather today in Philippines? How's it going? How do you recover after a day in the red? Do you increase your bet the next day? No, never. Hell no. So how do I recover after a day in red? So I would say like a month ago, we had a day when we lost like around $2,000+, and I didn't raise anything the next day. I just slowly got it back. So last stream we actually got it back to 10,500. So just being careful. Trading with you on pocket option because I can't get quotex in the US. Yep. I know that. I won that. I won on the last deal. Ooh, girl, you lucky. Better entry point. If you won that one, I don't recommend entering into the second one because it's no point in that. I'm making my own prediction while watching live video. Learning. Great job. That's the right choice, actually. You're analyzing, looking at my point of view, or looking at point of view of people in the chat, and on basis of that, you are also adding your analysis, and you're getting your money, which is amazing. That's how it's supposed to be, guys. That's how it's supposed to be. For now, the deal looks good, and I believe that the price should rise even higher. even higher. So the first deal was closed in red, which I opened it at almost at the same point where I entered in the second one, and I got into a correction, so that's why we lost the money, which is okay. It is fine. And if nothing happens, this deal is also going to be closed in black. And the zone is going to also show us that it is a working one, and I'm going to add another notification if the price reaches back. That would be a nice thing to know. We could enter into a deal for an upward trend again. But of course, we need to remember that we have still the structure of the downtrend, and we are trying to be careful. Perfectly, the price should break through the previous high, and then that would be the amazing stuff. And the deal is closed in black. The first good deal of the stream, celebrating. Next one, Euro British Pound. What's up? Nothing interesting. Moving on, Euro US Dollar. Oh, we have old levels from the previous stream. Yeah, let's just delete all of them. Say goodbye to it. It's having a funeral. But for now, what do we have? We actually have sort of a resistance line, 2 touches like right now and before as well. Interesting. Let me put you a visual. It doesn't look great to me right now, like with what's going on in this moment, but let me explain what do I see. Come here. Let's make it thick with 3 C's, 4 C's even. So what do we have here? This is the first jump, then the price was pushed upwards, it reached and it was pushed downwards, then the third time, fourth time, and right now this is 5th time, but right now the price is not pushed downwards too much. What does it tell us? It tells us that this level could be broken through. So when the price reaches back to this level, we are not entering into a deal immediately. We need to look at candlesticks. Because you see in the past, price was like dropping, and right now we don't have that amount of sellers. And the breakout is possible. The breakout is possible, but we need to wait. Or maybe the price will be pushed even lower. So we need to wait, not hurrying. AUDGPY, good resistance level. Good win. And support level doesn't really exist that high. It was obvious lower, but right now you see kind of like an uptrend. I don't know. Maybe somewhere from here the price could jump upwards, but it's going to be too hard to find an entry point. If the price reaches back to resistance, we will think about it. But for now, moving on. GBP USD. There was an uptrend. Then we have the first low, second, and this is the third time where the price reaches the same level. We always have horizontal levels today, no trends. Like obvious trends, I don't really see them right now on the market. Interesting. What is going on? Can't say that I'm interested into going into a deal for an upward trend because we're not losing momentum. Getting closer to this level, the momentum is getting bigger because candlesticks are getting bigger. And the power of sellers is rising. Maybe there's going to be a breakout. Meaning that we should enter into a deal for a downward trend because the price is going to break through this level. Let's put it somewhere here, make it thick with 3 C's. So looking closer, what am I concerned about? It looks like a support zone where we could enter into a deal for an upward trend, but we are looking at candlesticks. And we see that getting closer to the level, candlesticks are getting bigger. So the power of sellers is rising, but the price is jumping upwards right now, but I am concerned. I'm definitely not entering into a deal for an upward trend. I'm not sure if it's not like a fake out to get just more liquidity and push the price even lower, you know? Really probable. And if the price is gonna go lower, it's gonna reach this level at least. Mm. Mm. Let's see. Let's see. Let's spend a little time here on this chart. And I don't know. If the price is going to be pushed downwards, we are going to enter into a deal for a downward trend. But for now, I'm going back to the chat. Back to the chat. Been using demo while you are live. Just try to adjust my own strategy. Great, Ashley. How's it going on your demo account? Are you getting any profit on that one? No, too late for the second one, so waiting. Yeah, for sure. If the one of them was, the first one was closed in black for you, using the same place, not really the best idea. Have you always worked with Martingale? Have you ever worked without it? Yeah, usually I don't use it in my personal trading. I talked about it many times. I use Martingale aggressively here only on streams. If you have the VIP channel in the academy, you will see that I don't really use it, because when I'm trading by myself, I have more time to think, more time to analyze, and on streams I don't. This is a good example of that. Maybe I should have waited a little more, but I'm scared to lose impulse movement, so I'm entering right now. Let me explain. You see that the price did a little movement upwards, but it's been pushed downwards again. So I believe that this movement upwards was fake one to get more liquidity for the sellers to push the price even lower. Right, wrong, I don't know. Breakout strategy. It's not my favorite, you know. But it is what it is. But yeah, as what I was saying, I use Martingale on streams more because I'm not really spending much time to get all the confirmations. Just show you as much as I can, as many deals as I can get in like an hour or so. So that's why I'm using Martingale on streams, but not in my personal trading. I use it sometimes, but not all the time. If you are just starting trading experience, don't use Martingale. Don't fucking use it. If you have some experience already, then of course, like 1 or 2 steps, quite good choice, but still need to be careful with that. The price is being pushed. What the hell? What the hell? What the hell? What is you doing? What is you doing, girl? The momentum getting closer to the level shows us that the price should drop. Maybe we will have to open another deal because the price is gonna dance around and then drop. I don't know. We have a minute left. So this candlestick basically should drop, please, because we have 1 minute. Please, drop. Why are we like this? I don't know. I got a new toy, by the way, today on the market. Makes nice sound. ASMR. But yeah, looking at the charts, I still believe that the price should drop, but I'm interested in your opinion. What do you think? Because as a couple of you guys are also working alongside by me, tell me your opinion. And speaking of Martingale, this is one of the examples of why I use Martingale, because I probably will have to do one more step of Martingale, still believing that the price is going to drop, but there is some sort of weird situation and we need to find a good entry point. But yeah, Martingale will help me in this situation in terms of getting my money back. So in this case, we see that the price is being pushed back. And I made a mistake, I guess. But I think this cascade of red candlesticks. That's a huge signal that the sellers should get all the power on the market. I don't know. I don't know. Anywho, we'll wait for a little bit and maybe go back to it. So moving on to something else. All right. AUD USD. Let me look in the chat for a second. 1 second. Okay, so looking in the chat, and I have to answer my mom. Give me just one second. One little second. Okay, I'm back. Sorry, guys. Had a little difficulty. So, reading the comments. I used to work with Martingale, but it's dated back to it. So now without it, apparently the problem is the quality of my trades. Yeah, you know, Martingale should be used with a win rate not lower than like 65%. If the win rate is lower, Martingale is gonna disturb more of your piece than help you. So at the beginning, I definitely do not recommend using Martingale, but if you have experience, you can do whatever you want to. So looking at the chart, AUD USD, we have a pullback. We have a pullback. Pullback. I think it's a little too late. A little too late for a deal. Euro CAD. Oh, the situation looks quite nice. Good trend line. Let me look at you closer. Let me explain to you guys what I'm looking at. And it looks like a breakout. I don't want to work with another breakout, but in any case, let me explain what I'm seeing, even though I don't want to work with a breakout, because I just got burnt. So let's make it thick with 3 C's. So let me explain. There was supposed to be the end of this little pullback, and the price should have risen, but it's being pushed downwards. So the breakout is probably happening, but I don't want to work with a breakout. I do not want to work with breakout. I would work with double bottom if the price rises again, but I don't want to work with a breakout. Like last stream, I said I don't want to work with breakouts at all because I was analyzing my trades and understood that most of the cases where I lost money happened when I was trying to work with breakouts. Like the most cases were breakouts. So with this strategy, I'm supposed to enter into a deal for a downward trend. We see obvious trend line. We see the breakthrough of the trend line. There was a little resistance along the line. But at the end of the first red candlestick, we should have entered into a deal for a downward trend. But I'm so bad with breakouts. I've been so bad recently. So I think heck to the no. Heck to the no. Moving on. I want to work with my strategy that I usually use. I want to analyze, look at candlesticks. And use GPY. Look, it broke through the level. It broke through it. And somewhere from this level, the price reaches it. Right now, we could enter into a deal for a downward trend. So if it's a breakout, there is a retest, supposed to be a retest, and then the price should drop. So if after this green candlestick, the price would be pushed downwards, that would be good, but we need to wait for that moment. So moving on. Euro, GBP, Hey, what's going on with you? Too complicated, in my humble opinion. And the price pushed here. Hmm. Interesting. So we'll wait for it to go back to resistance level, I guess. AUD, GB, Yuan. Nothing interesting. GBP USD. Oh, guys, I have a question for you. Are you interested in looking at long-term deals? Because I was thinking, like, I could do something like at the end of the stream, so we could choose a deal for an hour, and we get like 10-minute time frame. We can find a deal with expiration around like an hour, as I said. We could find like one deal at the end of the stream. We like finish the stream, you do your thing, I do my thing, you know, do my stuff. And then when the deal is closed, we can get an answer how the deal was closed in the chat of the Academy. What do you think? What do you think about that? Because it's interesting for me because I want to work with bigger time frame. I cannot say that I'm good at it right now, but I want to learn, and that would be a good opportunity for me and interesting experience for you if it is interesting for you. So yeah, tell me in the chat if that's a good idea or bad idea. Oh, this one looks like double button. The price was pushed upwards, then there was an impulse downward trend from to the point of previous high. Then it rose and it's getting back to the same point. Interesting. AUD USD. I'll remember that probably. Euro CAD. Yeah, breakout happened, but I'm not working with it. I'm not working with it. So USD, GPY, we were waiting to see what's going to happen to the price. And in general, entry point from price section point of view is not that bad. So let's risk it for the biscuit. USD, GPY, 3-minute expiration time at $100 used. The price was following this level that we put, the level that we put. And one deal was already closed in black here, after which there was a complete breakout, the first retest, and this is the second retest of the same level, and I believe that the price should be pushed downwards, and I think that's a better decision than a breakout. So we could have entered into a deal on that candlestick, but we waited for a retest after the breakout. That's how I work. At least for me, that works. I don't know. I just analyze it better than just the typical breakout. Alrighty, okay, so going back to the chat. Been in profit for 3 days now, no loss so far. My modification are working nicely. What kind of modifications did you do to your strategy? Tell us, if it's not a secret, of course. Are you working with price action or indicators or altogether? What's up? Tell me. How long did it take you to become a profitable from the start? I'd say I became profitable in 4 months, but you need to understand that for a year I was unprofitable on Forex because I came to binary option from Forex and I was unprofitable as hell on Forex. But binary option was kind to me. So on the second month I was like broken even, and on the fourth month, of course, I still had some like weeks in red, months in red sometimes even, but my first year was profitable. But I wouldn't say that's the typical situation because I had experience on Forex, you know. I don't know, because I was barely trading and doing other things, but if I complete profitable 2 months, yeah, see, that's logical. Yes, 10 minutes will be interesting. Oh, that's cool. That's cool. All right, so we will try to do that today. We can finish the stream with the deal with high expiration and high time frame. Oh, I'm so excited to do that. OTC is so bad. Oh, very nice. Yep, OTC is shit. That's fine with me. It's possible to find more solid trades and higher time frames. So yeah, see, on one hand, yeah, I understand that everyone is talking about that, but I can't. For me, 3 minutes expiration time is the best. But I need to learn. I need to, oh, fuck, what happened? Oh, thank. Oh, thank. Oh, but look at this page. I was too excited. I was talking too much. Should we enter into a deal for a downward trend again? I don't think so. I wanna, but I don't wanna. Oh, for those who entered into a deal a bit later than I did, for you that would be closed in black. For me, it's closed in red. You understand the direction? That makes me sad. Like the direction was correct, but didn't work. Didn't work, which is okay. It is okay. No. Let's continue. Let's continue. Let's not get upset. All right, so nothing interesting on those currency pairs. AUD GPY, too jagged for me. GBP USD. The price is being pushed back to the same level, which I thought should be broken through, but it didn't happen. But it looked like there was supposed to be a breakout, but it didn't freaking happen. If it didn't happen there, it should happen here, but I don't believe in that, because right now the price should rise. So we're not gonna be too antsy with the deals, because we have $200 at stake, so I want to be careful. I want more confirmation. I want to be sure that I'm getting my money, because I'm not freaking losing today. No. We have an impulse to sell, but let's get back to this currency pair in a minute, because I'm afraid I'm gonna get a little impulsive and make a mistake again. So moving on, AUD USD. All right, so the downtrend is happening because we have kind of a change of character. No, we don't have a change of character, because our previous low is there, current high is right there, and while the price is in between this high and low, the structure of an uptrend is still not broken through, so too early to enter into a deal. Moving on. Here, the breakout happened as we predicted, and the price is getting back upwards. No entry points for us right now. Do you have any good payouts? Well, GBP AUD is probably the last one. Not bad of a downtrend, but don't really see any good entry points. Well, you know what? I have something for you here. Listen up. So GBP AUD deal for a downward trend. We are looking at global downtrend, obvious one. Then we are getting closer. Right here we had the previous high, and then the price broke through this high. But we need to understand that such small highs, when we didn't have huge impulse of the price, you don't have to look at them in serious. So our current high is right there and low was right there, and the price did a pullback and it was pushed downwards, and now we have some sort of resistance. But globally sellers are dominating, and we're looking at stochastic, which is at the level of being over sold. So in my opinion, this is the deal for a downward trend, but I don't like this zone where the price is being pushed upwards. But we will see, we will see. So GBP AUD 3 minute expiration time using $200. Oh my god. Going to the chat. It will not come, it's better to wait. Yep. Most often, when I have a deal for $50, I can do like risky business, you know, not even looking at timings and stuff like that. When I'm talking about $100, a bit harder, but $200, we need more. We need more. Have you changed a lot of strategies? I mean, I changed them all the time. Like, look at my channel. We have so many videos with different strategies that I've tried. And for the most part, if you see the video with the strategy that I've tried, you, like, at some point in the video, you see how I changed it from how it was at the beginning. Now, for the most part, I work with price action. If you work with price action, it's support and resistance, or you're working with pullbacks and trends. And my base strategy is pullbacks. But not recently, really soon we will have a video on that. On double buttons and other stuff, you know. So wait for a new video. You will see a new strategy as well on the channel, by the way. It's often said that the small yes, there is noise, but since we have 3-minute expiration time and 1-minute time frame, it is a-okay. You know, I understand that for the most part, for like 1 hour time frame, we have less noise, but still, I don't know, I can't. I'm uncomfortable. It's hard for me to work with high time frames and expirations. And from a psychological point of view, I just feel uncomfortable. You know, that's just me. That is just my opinion and my experience. But if you feel comfortable working with like an hour, 30 minutes, why the hell not? I think it's a really, really useful skill to do, and that's why I want to learn it. It's better to start with 5-minute time frame. What do you think? I believe that it is personal, you know. Oh, the deal was closed. The deal was closed in black, which is great. We got the money and it looked like that. Sorry, I didn't show you that. Sorry, but we got the money. I was just talking too much and I forgot about Quotex. But yeah, the deal is closed in black, which is amazing. $368. We have $60 in profit, which is good. It's good. It's enough to get a sandwich, a good sandwich in Subway. A couple of them. Oh, I'm hungry. I'm hungry. What do we have? Euro dollar is alright, but it's too early to enter. USD JPY. What the hell? The price was pushed downwards. Now it's growing again. I'm telling you goodbye today, USD JPY, especially with the payout of 59%. Fuck that, no. Sorry for cursing. Euro GBP, nothing interesting. Euro USD, nothing interesting. AUD GPY, maybe something interesting. I mean, the price should drop according to this double tops, and it will become triple top probably. Well, we kind of even have a level, but I don't really like this for an entry point, even for $50. But I mean, $50. I don't need those problems in my life. It's not too bad, but it's not enough confirmation for me. Oh, what is going on here? It's a little too late, in my opinion, in my humble opinion. And I just, in general, don't like this chart, this currency pair. Because I am waiting for a breakout. Don't like it. Moving on. If I don't like it, I'm not working with it. I ain't got no boss to tell me otherwise. AUD USD, we had an uptrend, and right now the price is consolidating right here, but we also need to understand that the structure of an uptrend is not broken through, so we're not expecting the price to actually drop with an impulse. So that's why we're moving to something else. Euro CAD. Full breakout. Full break of the trend. GBP AUD, not a bit downtrend, but no entry points. GBP CAD. Nothing. CHF GPY. What's going on? We have a double top. But it's too low, it's too late to enter into a deal for a downward trend. We could, but it's too late. We could have, but it's too late. Low payouts. I don't like low payouts. Oh, gee. I want this one. I want this one, all right? Take my words back. Euro Australian dollar 3-minute expiration time for an upward trend using $50. What do we see here? We see that the price was working with a downtrend, then it found the support, broke through this downtrend, so there was a break of the structure of downtrend, and consolidation started where the price was moving between this support and this kind of like a resistance level. But the structure of downtrend is already broken, so reaching this level, we are expecting the price to rise, and this candlestick showed us the growth and the impulse, and most probably the price is gonna rise even higher. It is not looking really good right now, but it is what it is. 3 minutes. Let's get back to the chat. All time frames work if you know what you're doing. The lower your time, it's moving. The lower the confirmation time frame, the stuff. Yep, definitely agree. You can work with any time frame. It's just the most important part is for you to be comfortable with it. Recently, I have been losing streaks, messing with my head. Now I'm thinking maybe strategy is bad. Imagine just winning 3 trades out of more than 10. Ooh, Michael, 30% win rate. Ooh, not good. There might be not the problem with the strategy, because even with the strategy, sometimes it depends on the current situation on the market. So the strategy could be good, but the market situation is different. So for example, Trump, you know, the Trumpy Trump said something and the market changed a lot. And right now that's what's happening. We have a lot of news and a lot of strategies are not working. So just be careful with that. This month was all fine. This month everything just went sideways. I'm more confused than ever. Yeah. That's exactly what I'm talking about. Right now the market doesn't look really good. If you want to talk about it, actually, you can text me about your strategy on Telegram, personally me, and we can talk about it and see maybe we can correct something and do something with it. What the fuck happened? The price was pushed upwards. That's exactly what I'm talking about. The market is being a little bitch. A little bitch. And I do not like it. Can you please rise just to, like, you know, we didn't get any profit today, like $10. Ugh. Maybe 10 seconds. Guys, you know the rules. Like up the stream and the price will rise. Can you have 4 seconds? Can you do that in 4 seconds? Can you? No? All right. It's okay. Look at this. Not gonna say anything. Not gonna say anything. Should we enter here again? I'm not sure. No, the price is too high. Yeah, see, this one freaking candlestick broke everything that I was building. Days like this, they happen where you're not getting any profit. We've been here for how long? Like freaking 40 minutes or so? We got $10 of profit. Let's try to find one more. Not giving up right now. Not yet. No entry points on GBP, GPY, USD, CAD. What about you? Good resistance level. Yeah, 1, 2, 3, and this is the 4th time. The price is a little too low for now, so it can actually meet some support and rise. It was an interesting entry point, but I missed it, so I'm moving to something else. Euro GPY. No entry points. USD GPY. No, don't. Not interested. Euro GBP. It would be good to enter into a deal on this currency pair because the payout is one of the highest. It is the highest, yeah. But we don't really have any structure. In general, it looks like a structure of an uptrend. Then it kind of became like with this lower high and equal lows right here. So I don't know. The structure of uptrend is not broken. not broken, but I don't see good entry points. So moving on to something else. AUD GPY. What about you, sweetheart? What's up? Here the price reached this level. Let me put a visual for you and me, myself, and I. But the price has huge momentum and the breakout is possible in this moment. Come here, a little rectangle somewhere here. Can you please just like come here? Yep, the breakout is happening at this moment. And do I want to work with it? Do I want to work with it? No, because we have this low actually. And from that point, the price could do the reversal. So skipping and skipping. I mean, yeah, today is nothing special. We're not gonna get a lot of money today. Well, I mean, $10, that's a profit. It was 60. I don't really see anything. If you guys see any interesting moments on currency pairs, leave it in the chat so I can go and look, because I do not see anything. I see nothing. Nothing. Absolutely nothing. Alrighty. So if we don't really have anything interesting, we're gonna start our 1 hour deal and we will finish the stream, because I do not see anything that is suitable for me right now. So time frame 10 minutes, expiration time 1 hour. The profit for today $10, but it is worth $9. But let's freaking start. Best payout, Euro GPY. And here, obviously, we need to enter into a deal for a downward trend. But we need to get at least like a little pullback, but with 10-minute time frame is going to take a while. I don't like this one. Oh, look at these. Interesting situation on Euro, USD, dollar, US dollar. We kind of have a downtrend. The price broke through this level. We can get rid of it. And from here, the price should even drop lower. And Stochastic actually shows us a signal, and it works better on a higher time frame. So that's an interesting entry point. What do you think? Tell me, tell me. So if our candlestick is going to be around 10 candlesticks somewhere here. So I think the price should drop. And we had this peak right there. The price was pushed downwards already, so it will continue. So I think this is going to be our deal for 1 hour. Maybe I will find something else with a higher payout, because it's not really the best one. So that's a global downtrend, so I don't want to work with it right now. GBP USD, hell no. AUD USD, nothing. Euro CAD, no. Or, yeah, and the payouts are even lower there. So Euro dollar is going to be our deal for 1 hour. How much do you think I should put? How much money? How much money? How much money? 150. I think that would be good enough, because that's going to be the first deal. So my prognosis for an hour is that in an hour on the currency pair of Euro USD, the price is going to go down $150. Ooh. So if the deal is going to be closed in black, we're going to get $100 in profit. If it's going to be closed in red, then we lost a little bit of money, bitches. Okay. It is what it is. Not every single day we can find great setups that I would be happy with. Not the worst day, but I'm going to the comment section right now, and we will finish up the stream. Losing streak must occur because of economy. Yep, that's what I was talking about. The situation on the market is kind of weird, so it is what it is. Unfortunately, it's not your fault. Not always your fault. Have you ever thought about trading future? Nope. No, I wanted to try working with crypto, but not future. You can try AUDUSD. I didn't really see anything there. Fire had started. Meh, I didn't really like the structure there. With EURUSD, that was much better, in my opinion. My opinion. Have you ever kept a trading journal? Yep, I still do, actually. It's easier for me because we have a Telegram channel and we also have streams, so that basically is kind of like my trading journal. But even before I started the YouTube, I had a journal, trading journal. I wasn't doing it like really in all the details, but I was doing like screenshots, what was I thinking, what was my logic with the deals. So for example, right now I would say like I saw this structure, I saw stochastic, and with the candlestick pattern, I got this decision made, right? So that's what I did and doing still. When do you stop on a losing day? 3 net trades or something else? Nope. Larry the Lobster. Hello there, by the way. I stop when my balance drops 10 or 15%. And it depends also on my mental state as well. There's a lot of factors for that, Larry. Yep. But yeah, for now, we're still making some profit. And hopefully this deal is going to be also closed in black, and the results are going to be in the Academy chat. So if you are still not a student in our Academy, I definitely recommend texting me on Telegram so I can send you a link to everything. It's completely free. But that's going to be it for us for today, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.